Welcome all. So today we will see column designing if it is subjected to axial load and also a moment, uni-axial moment. Okay. So in this lecture we will see the design steps. In our upcoming lecture we will do a numerical on this. So let's start. The first thing which is written, just ignore it for a while. Okay, just ignore it for a while. We will see it in a little bit time. Okay. So the step one is calculate design axial load and uniaxial moment. We have to calculate the axial load. uh, Calculate axial load, bracket design and uniaxial moment. Uniaxial moment. Okay. So pu is the axial load and uniaxial moment is mu. Okay. So it's the step one. So step two will be, we have to, if it is not given, we have to assume a suitable value of breadth and width. Okay. Assume suitable value for b d. You can write it as capital B also, b d, and you have to also find one thing, d dash by capital D ratio. Okay. C. D dash is the effective cover. Okay. So we will now see the assume suitable value for B D dash by D ratio, and we have also we have to assume the arrangement of the arrangement of the reinforcement means, see, if this is a face of the column, just you have to assume that only these two, in two faces the bar will be provided, or in all four faces the reinforcement will be provided. So this arrangement of reinforcement is this thing, two face or four face arrangement. Okay. FCK and FY, these two will be given. Okay. These two things will be given. The steel and the concrete will be known for sure. Okay. So step 3 will be, this step is very important. The step 3 will be, you have to calculate pu by fckbd. Okay, you can write it small b also, and mu by fckbd square. Okay. So these two things we have to calculate. Why we have to calculate these two things? See, these two things we are calculating it for step 4. Step 4 is, we have to select a suitable interaction chart. We have to select a suitable interaction chart. Okay. From SP16. It's a code book SP16. Okay. You have to for this interaction chart selection, what all the things are needed, we will see it. See, for this interaction chart we need arrangement, shape of the section. Okay. Arrangement of reinforcement, arrangement of reinforcement. Okay, grade of steel, grade of steel, and the most important thing is the d dash by capital D ratio. Okay, these things are needed for selection of the interaction chart. Okay, so what we will get, so in the interaction chart there will be like this will be a graph. Okay, see here, like this there will be a graph. Okay, so these two axes, in this axis pu by fck bd, and in this axis mu by fck bd square. Okay, and there will be given value of pt by fck. Okay, according to the pu fck bd and mu fck bd, we will get a value of pt fck, where pt is equal to percentage of reinforcement. pt we have seen earlier also, pt is percentage of reinforcement, and fck we know that. Okay, so this step is gone. Now see, now step 5. Step 5, what we will do, we have to calculate the longitudinal steel from this pt value. Calculate longitudinal reinforcement from this pt by fck value. Okay, so we all know that pt is equal to 100 into area of steel divided by b into d. Okay, so this is the pt formula. So we will put it there and find out the as. Okay, area of steel, area of longitudinal steel required, we will find it out. Okay, so we will see the step 6. So step 6, see, step 6 will be, you have to provide the area of longitudinal in form of bar. We have to find number of bar and provide it as arrangement of reinforcement decided earlier. Means, see here, see, the interaction chart has been chosen on which condition, the arrangement of steel, arrangement of reinforcement. Means, if here if you have chosen that the arrangement of the column will be on all the 4 faces. Okay, so see, this face, this face, this face, and this face. So you have to provide the number of bar as such. Here also the 4 faces are covered. If earlier you have given it in 2 faces, means, see here, if this is the cross section of the column and you have provided it like this only, means this face and this face. So you have to provide it here the number of bars as 2 face only. Okay, so you cannot change it once decided earlier. Okay, the step 7 is required, the last step. The step 7 is provide transverse reinforcement. Provide transverse reinforcement. Okay, so this is the design of a column with axial load and uniaxial moment. So we are ending up the lecture here. In the our next lecture we will see a numerical based on this concept. Thank you.